Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present another sweet little treat, my praline cookies. This recipe combines both the sweetness of a praline and the crunchiness of a crisp cookie, all with less than 1 net carb per serving. Let's get started. Begin by adding a sugar substitute equal to 1 cup of regular sugar to a mixing bowl. Add a little salt and some xanthan gum. Use a whisk and mix until it's fully combined. To a separate bowl, add some cream of tartar to 1 large egg white. Use an electric hand mixer to beat until the egg white is fluffy and stiff. Add 1 teaspoon of maple extract to the egg white and gently mix together. For the best flavor, you want to use maple extract. I tried this recipe with vanilla, and it just wasn't the same. Add the egg white to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Now add 2 cups of roughly chopped pecans. Give this a mix again until all the pecans are well coated. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Equally divide the pecan mix into 12 individual servings. Place in the middle of a preheated 275-degree oven for 35 minutes. Remove from the oven and let cool. After 15 minutes, you'll notice they're lightly stuck to the parchment paper. Carefully remove the cookies still on the parchment paper off of the baking sheet and cool for 10 additional minutes. After they've cooled for 10 minutes, gently pull the cookies away from the parchment to unstick. The finished cookies will be very sturdy and crisp. Oh, and did I mention? Delicious. There you have it, folks, my praline cookie recipe. A sweet and crunchy low-carb treat when that sweet tooth comes a-calling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.